Thank you, ma'am. My respect to Honorable Governor Aventado. Cebu Central encourages to study the Maritime School, the Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation.
Kay kami dito, may laing kapainan, mag-ampo record me. Nga isipti mi nga makauli mi, kay higikan baya mi sa airport na mo diha. Usahay manghilak mo kay mingawon baya, di ba? Moray buhaton nga kinahanglan mag-ampo ra kay kami dito as a captain every day hangtod karon magrosaryo ko kada adlaw. Habit na kunan nako.
I think that is smart, resilient, and inclusive. On this International Day of the Seafarers, we pay tribute to their bravery, perseverance, and hard work as they face great risks at sea in order to ensure a seamless flow of essential goods needed for the survival of communities around the world. We honor
Safe Shop Crew Management Incorporated, Seams Bohol, PMI Bohol.
Hey, sir. Ready? 1, 2, 3.